Hi friends, welcome to my channel Biswajit All My Teach English. Today we will discuss 10 questions and answers on Alexander Pope. Let's start. Alexander Pope, 1688 to 1744. Literary age. In which literary age did Alexander Pope belong to? The answer is neoclassical age or Augustan age, right? Next, Pope was basically dash. The question is Pope was basically dash. The answer is Pope was basically a satirist. Satirist. Next, Pope wrote his poetry in dash. The question is Pope wrote his poetry in dash. The answer is Pope wrote his poetry in heroic couplets. Next, characteristic feature of his poetry. This is the question. What is the characteristic feature of his poetry? The answer is Pope himself says that the most important characteristic feature of his poetry is correctness. Correctness. C-O-R-R-E-C-T-N-E-S-S. Correctness. Next, addressed the essay on man to dash. Pope has addressed the essay on man dash to dash. The answer is Pope has addressed the essay on man to Lord Bolingbroke. Then what is the question? Pope has addressed the essay on man to dash. The answer is Pope has addressed the essay on man to Lord Bolingbroke. To Lord Bolingbroke. Next, beauty divorced from good sense is worth nothing. Beauty divorced from good sense is worth nothing. In which poem does this line occur? The answer is in the Rape of the Lock. In the Rape of the Lock. This line, beauty divorced from good sense is worth nothing. Next, the Rape of the Lock. Next question, epistles in an essay on man. The question is, how many epistles are there in essay on man? The answer is there are 4 epistles in essay on man. An essay on man. 4 epistles. Next question. Essay on man. Hope springs eternal in the human breast. Man never is, but ever to be blessed. These are the lines which occur in essay on man. The question is, where do these lines occur? Hope springs eternal in the human breast. Man never is, but ever to be blessed. These are the two lines. These two lines occur in Essay on Man. 9. As the spokesman of the Augustan age. As the spokesman of the Augustan age, Pope exposes its frivolities in the rape of the law. The question is, as the spokesman of the Augustan age, Pope exposes its frivolities in dash. In which poem? The question, in which poem or in dash? Fill in the blank. The answer is, Pope exposes its frivolities as the spokesman of the Augustan age in the rape of the law. In the rape of the law. Next, Dryden to Pope. Which poem did admire Pope most? Which poet did admire Pope? Did Pope admire most? Which poet did Pope admire most? The answer is, Pope admired John Dryden most. Pope admired John Dryden most. Now friends, I have to repeat all the questions and answers. Alexander Pope 1688 to 1744. Literary age, neoclassical or Augustan age. Pope was basically a satirist. Pope wrote his poetry in heroic couplets. Characteristic feature of his poetry is correctness. Addressed the Essay on Man to Lord Bolingbroke. Beauty divorced from good sense is worth nothing. This line occurs in the Rape of the Lock. Epistles in an Essay on Man. 4 epistles. Essay on Man. Hope springs eternal in the human breast. Man never is, but ever to be blessed. These are the two lines. These two lines occur in Essay on Man. As the spokesman of the Augustan age, Pope exposes its frivolities in the Rape of the Law. Dryden to Pope. Pope admired Dryden most. Now friends, if you have understood all the answers and their questions, you have to subscribe my channel and you have to like, share and comment a lot. Thank you.